McKeesport. The porta potty's back. It was gone for years. They put it back. All right. Good to know. So we're going to veer off the gap here for a little detour. Going straight is continuing on the gap. But there's a trail here. As you can see, I'll circle back right here. So we're going to take that, and maybe we can see the osprey's nest. I don't know. Can't see very well, unfortunately, but up high there somewhere there was an osprey's nest. I don't know if it's still there. I can't see very well. I don't have binoculars or something. Closer. And there. Osprey. This nest has been active since 2018. In April 2019, decaying light moved the nest to a new tower. Is it up there? I don't know.